How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market, and I want to talk about iRobot, IRBT, and where do I see a reversal, and where we make some money, a profit target, and why I see this as a good area to buy. And I'm going to talk about my system, right? This trading has got literally obliterated, right? This trade. But before I get into it, do keep in mind you get my exact trade alerts. I have a premium Discord of only $6. You will see my trade alerts just like this, and you can see my exact entries with the ticker, and then my exit I post in there too. So if you do want to join the premium Discord, it is there. I'm going to post that into the YouTube comments below so you can join. But let me show you this system because I promise you're going to love it. You're going to see exactly how accurate this is and where you can get your buys and your sell entries, right? So the daily chart looks like this. That you got your three bands. I customized it to be extremely oversold if it gets there and extremely overbought if it gets the red band. Green band is a buy zone. You do not just get in right away. Your most important band is your middle band. This is your blue one, and that is where price reverts to the mean. Price always has to touch it. It will in a certain amount of time. And then the red band is where price sells off, like where you would look to short and buy puts. So do keep in mind, I'm going to show you a couple examples of where I like this trade and how it worked. You have the middle band. Price has to go back to it. We see that. So what happens is we wait for about a month. So we get a touch right here at 119, and then we get our final touch with this big gap up at 1124. So do the math. 1019, 1124. That was about a little month before we hit the upper band or the middle band, and it went well over. And guess what? When it hit the upper band, it sells off extremely fast because that's an important level for sellers. So right in here, you accumulate as much shares as you need. And what I like to look at is the KDJ, the K. The lower the K, the better. I look for around that 6 area. That is a beautiful area. 10 is not bad either, but as you can see, when price gets to this lower band, you look for accumulation. All this is accumulation zone. You be patient because you know where price has to go, and then bam, you get these big green candles to the upside, and then this massive gap up. You probably would have missed that one. I would have probably taken the profit here as I would have had a stop loss right above the high of this candle. It would have broken on this candle, but still you would have made massive money if you scaled in on these. Now, I'm going to show you where I played this also before. When there's a big gap like this, I do like to play it to the lower band. I did play it right in there. That was a very nice given one. And then I'm going to show you guys the distance on this one. This is why I'm loving this trade so much. And I did play it further down this line here because of the K values was pretty small, and it had a nice little move up there. But this is where I love to see right here. We have a time distance of 110, January 10th. Guess what the time is right now? It is March 19th. This is breaking records, right? This just shows me how extremely bullish I am. Because when I write down the time distance of stocks I've been trading over the 6 years, anything more than 2 months is very rare. I'm going to say that again. If the price has not touched the middle band, our last touch is clearly, we can all see is right here. If the price has not touched the middle band in 2 months, that is extremely rare. Extremely rare, right? So I am just now looking to get into this trade. Yes, it's not touching the bottom band, and it could very well go down here. So there is some downside it could do, but I'm taking the risk of it being, okay, we haven't had a touch of the middle band. There's a lot of time distance that hasn't did it. I think we get a touch of this middle band very soon, and right now it's not unreasonable. It's at 10.89 right now. That is a nice, decent price target that we can get. And that's why I'm seeing right here, every gap will get filled. When you get these gaps, they are getting filled, massively, right? Right in here, you get this gap. We ignore all these because of the time distance is not there. We start looking in to get in right in here, and then it has an explosive move. This stock will test your guys' patience, right? Because it goes to extreme levels, and it will test your patience, right? But right in here, for a longer term hold, I don't see nothing wrong with this buy area. Obviously, I don't like holding, super long. I am going to get out once it touches this middle band. But I do want to see, price get, relatively close to it. And then I'll put another stop because I did play this play with all my Discord members. At the bottom of this candle right in here, I had an average of 935. It pumped massively. I saw lots of volume coming in. This one has 7 million volume, and I liked it. I really thought we are going to get the middle band touch. So, but then I put a stop loss right at 9.85 because I saw it pulling back, and I was like, looks like it wants to make a new low, and then that's what it did. So I'm going to do the same strategy. Once I'm up a bit, I'm going to put the stop loss, try to ride it up as much as I can, or just keep accumulating these shares. Hopefully it doesn't go to this lower band. I don't think it will. Right now we have a K of 11 just because of the time distance. I do think for that Friday, it was, what do we see? I saw a massive order on March 15th. Massive orders. I really think something is in the making. A lot of people are dismal about it. And of course, this stock was a high of $37 just, the beginning of this year. So a lot of people are going to be dismal, and that is completely normal. Very normal for a stock to be like this, but it doesn't mean you can't make money at this price range right here. Could I be wrong and it go down some more? Absolutely. But since this is not a real-time video, I could be out of the trade. And, just like when I was entered in on this candle down here, I made over 5% on this day right here. And I sold at, I sold at 9.94 and I had to stop at 9.85. It hit that. And so I got out, right? But yeah, because I saw a lot of bearish flow, and yeah, you just don't know. You gotta play by the daily price action. And that's why I'm saying about these things. But yes, I do expect a very nice touch of the middle band very soon. What's nice is we got our earnings out of the way right here, so we don't have to worry about earnings for a really long time, and we just had the biggest gap of time distance. Everywhere you see this, you're gonna see it touch. 2 months is just super, super long. I would not be surprised. You can even see on the short side. I mean, this is crazy, but every time you can see it above the band, it gets shorted immediately. Above the band, short immediately, and then you get this touch of this middle band. This is your gap right here. So you just gotta see. Every stock works like this. You do gotta keep that in mind. Every stock works like this. This has had some extreme down pressure, but we are relatively close to the bottom band, so I feel good taking this point. We have a low K, it's not extremely low, but I look for a low K, and it's relatively low. It's at 11. I do see price going down just a little more, but we never know for sure, right? But I do think this is a nice little buy opportunity. So I approve this reversal for a nice area back to that $10 region. High 10s, it's 10.89. But if we get some nice news, it could go well over the blue band and maybe even to the red band. We just don't know. So this is IRBT. If you guys want to know exactly when I get in, when I enter in excerpt, do join the premium Discord. It's going to look like this. You're going to see my exact trade alerts. As you can see, I did a limit order for IRBT. It looks like this. I show you exactly why I'm getting in and my thoughts. And you can see my other tickers I'm in. You're going to see exactly my setup video if you want to get your chart to look like this and how, it can match like this and like where you see buy points. Because a lot of these candles are random buys. You're buying these random candles that make no sense. You want to accumulate on the candles that make the most sense for the best opportunities to get money, right? That's what you want to do. You want to accumulate the right buy areas. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is the premium Discord. You get the best trend reversal strategy. I have an options video and then a trading view set up to get your chart to look exactly like mine with the right settings of the indicators. And I go more in depth about it. And you get a whole community that are alerting things and then what they see, so you won't miss a beat. So when you join the premium Discord, if you want to do it, like I said, it's only $6. You can cancel anytime. If you don't like it, I am totally fine. You can, like I said, cancel. It's only $6. The reason why I make it so cheap is because, one, a lot of people are hurting. Two, not a lot of people have accounts that, that can trade things if you're charged, $200 to be a month for a Discord. And I've seen that. I've seen $1,000, a year. You just can't do that. With small accounts, with only $6 a month, with my, all my trainings, I'm in the chat every day. It is totally worth it. Like I said, a little bit about me. I only do the system. There's no bias. I do what the system tells me. And, last week alone, I made over 50% on NYCB because I looked at the system. It was way below my lower band, and it shot right up, reversion to the mean. That's what we're looking for, is these reversions to the means. We get companies that nobody wants, and we sell it to the chasers. That's exactly what we're doing. So when you click on the link, I'll put the link down below to the Discord. It'll be in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and these are the best trades, as I put a lot of thought into them. And when you click that link, it'll go to this free chat, which will look like this. It does not mean you're subscribed. What you want to do is go ahead to the subscriptions tab over here and hit premium chat. When you hit any of these locked channels, it will opt you to subscribe for only $6. And it's $6 if you do it on computer, because it is slightly cheaper, because it avoids the iOS fee if you're using the app on your phone. So do keep that in mind. It's just a slightly cheaper. But these trades are the best trades, and you follow an exact system that has worked for me for over 6 years, and it kept me consistently in the market, making profits month after month, and it has over a 95 win ratio for the bigger cap stocks like like these. I trade stocks over $1 and I learned it. So they're high quality stocks that has a nice bottom pattern to it to make massive money. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm looking at IRBT, not because it's hitting the bottom band, just because it's over a 2-month time frame, and it's just a matter of time we get a news from the company or something, just a bullish wave that is going to flow right to that middle band. And that's what I'm kind of looking for. I'm not looking for anything extreme. Here is the weekly chart too. As you can see, this thing just got decimated, and the weekly does the same thing. It reverts to the middle band, but it's going to take much longer than the daily. But as I know for a fact, anything longer than 2 months, you might see 2 months in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but it's going to go straight to that middle band super fast. So do keep that in mind, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the premium Discord, because that's when you're going to know when I exit and all my entries, because I get precise entries at very important levels. And also, if you guys want to give a like, subscribe, comment, anything in the YouTube, it helps the engagement, the algorithm, spread it to other retail traders that are looking at IRBT. You're like, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I've been buying in this area. I've been buying in this area. I've been holding. And I'm just, down forever. I totally get that. This is a very hard trade. But, for me, I will encode this. And I think this can make massive money for my premium Discord members. So hope you guys can give a like, subscribe. It'll help me out. And I will see you guys in the YouTube or in the Discord, the premium Discord, and I'll be talking about this trade and giving you guys my daily thoughts on it, my entries and my exits, so we all can make some money. Hope to see you guys there, and peace out.